Hello, welcome back to my channel. Hey everyone, today I'm going to put a white color paint on my eyes first, and by the way, I don't have a white concealer, that's why I apply this white paint on my eyes. If you have a white concealer, you don't use this paint color, otherwise you use this white concealer. Blend, blend, blend. I love blending. And then I blending this concealer with the help of this blending sponge. And then I fix this paint with the help of this powder. Blend, blend, blend. I love blending, that's why I use these words in blending. After blending, I use this maroon color and I apply in my eyes the crease line. You can see this, and I apply this color and blending around this shape. You can see this and you can easily make up. Blend, 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 and your blending is perfect. That's why your makeup is looking so beautiful, elegant. That's why I always use this word. After the blending this maroon color, I apply this PG concealer on my under eyes. I always use white concealer in my lower lace, but I apply this PG. I think it's called a dark concealer. You can say a peach color. If you don't have a peach color or dark concealer color, you can use a white concealer. You can easily use whatever color you have, and today I wanted to try something new, so I use this color. And then I apply this dark shade color on my eyes. Its palette name is Kylie Jennifer Rose palette. I love this palette because its color is so beautiful, dark and elegant. That's why I always use this palette on my videos. If you love this palette, you in colors and pigmentation, you can tell me a comment section. I can easily read this comment. I love reading comment because you are my family, my YouTube family. After that, I will blending these two colors very well with the help of this brush. You're blending, it's going outer corner, not in inner corner, because inner corner I apply this white concealer. And then I apply this white paint color on my eyes. I apply this paint color, white paint color, on my half eyes. And then I fix my previous maroon color. I took this red shade on my mid eyes and blend carefully. I took this red color little by little. The red color has to be blend very well. And then I apply the white color on my inner corner and blend this brush. After the blending this whole colors, I applied this glitter glue because the colors seemed a little too flat, so I thought about adding something bright and glitter. I'm going to take the glitter color here and apply it to my red area. And then I make a beautiful eyeliner, simple and easy. You can see my previous video. Simple, it's simple and easy. After the draw my eyeliner, I apply this whole color which I use on my eyes makeup. I apply on my lower list and blending so well, and then I apply this eyelashes. You can see I made this beautiful eyes makeup. I love this glittery and bold eyes makeup. You can easily make this eye makeup in your eyes, in your birthday party, in your wedding ceremony, in your wedding guest. You can wear this makeup in any function. If you like my beautiful eyes makeup videos, please subscribe my channel and hit that like button. Thank you so much for watching my videos.
رحمن يا رحمن ساعدني يا رحمن اشرق صدري قرآن املأ قلبي قرآن